What's up guys, it's your boy Lotus Boo back again with another reaction video, man. It's good to have you guys and welcome to my channel. Actually, welcome to your channel because you're the one watching, man. With that being said, man, hit the subscribe button and I've got gang reaction videos coming out for you, man. Please subscribe. Today's video is opposite. Many people have been asking me, man, what's the reaction opposite, bruh. So yeah, man, today's video is opposite and it is Driftworks. So without wasting your time, guys, let's jump straight to it. And yeah, today's video was brought to you by Driftworks Mongolia. These are not sponsored, man, but I have to say it, bruh. Ooh. Let's get it. Let's get it. Ooh, these are all drift cars. They look nice, man. Ooh. Isn't that NRL? I'm confused now. That's NRL, man. Nah, it's not. Let's get it. That's some crazy drifting, man. Damn. Woo. That is some sick drifting, man. Damn. Kiss it. Oh. Damn, man, these guys are wild, man. Woo. Driftworks. Look at Mongolia, man. It's so beautiful, man. Damn. Damn, what a song. What a song, man. I'll leave the link down below, guys. Make sure you guys go check out the song, man. Yeah. Woo! Make sure you guys go check out DreamWorks Mongolia, man. I think these guys are the best at what they do, man. Drifting. This is amazing, man. I like the song, man. It's nice and simple, but the song catches your mind, man. You just keep on looking into the song.
100, boy, I promise I'ma get what's mine.